Just look at that. As a food goddess, I love to share every delicious meal I make on this channel, and one of it is this Koobi jollof rice recipe paired with some tuna salad. If you are watching me for the first time, I post food content videos on this channel, so I would love you to hit the subscribe button down below for meal inspiration. And to my returning subscribers, I say, are you cool? In a pan, I add in some coconut oil and add in some diced chopped onions. I'll allow it to fry for some time. Whilst it is frying, on the other side, I blend some pepper, tomato paste, onions, and some tomatoes. When I'm done blending it, I'll add it to the oil and give it a very good mix. I am going to fry these tomatoes for about 30 minutes on a medium heat till all water is evaporated from it. Okay, yummy. To replace Maggi cube, I am using some Koobi powder, which is a lifesaver. Now I add in some curry powder and some white pepper, black pepper. Give it a very good mix. Now, to know how I made this Koobi powder, I am going to leave a link down in the description. Please check it out and make yours at home. After giving this a very good mix, I am going to pour in my rice. And today, guess what? I am using basmati rice. But hey, feel free and use your Yasmin rice, which is also very good. Time to give this a very good mix for every grain of rice to be coated with the stew, and then I'll go ahead and add some water to it. Now in this recipe I added some hot water to it, but you can use cold water, which is perfectly okay. I will give this a very good mix and taste for salt and seasoning. I told you, in replacement of Maggi cube, I am using Koobi powder. So I add additional 1 tablespoon of it, add more salt to it, and give this a very good mix. Now I'm going to cover it and allow the water to evaporate very well. After it evaporates, I'll cover it with some aluminium foil and then leave it on a very low heat. You know, jollof rice requires steaming, not too much heat or fire. Yes, and this tasted so good, especially with the tuna salad. Once again, I'm going to list or leave the link to the tuna salad recipe down in the description, and also the Koobi powder video in the description. You are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do try your hands on. I will see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Choose.